Picture this, you're all set to grab that must-have app from the Google Play Store, only to be stopped cold by an age verification screen that's straight out of a high-tech thriller. This innovative yet invasive move by Google might just redefine how we access digital content, sparking debates on privacy versus protection, and you won't believe what users are already saying. But stick around, because there's more to this story that could change the way you think about app downloads forever. Google Play Store is now introducing a new layer of age checks, much like what we've seen on YouTube, and reports indicate it's beginning to roll out to users. If you're unable to confirm you're 18 or above, you might face roadblocks in getting your apps. Fortunately, verifying your age is straightforward through options such as submitting a government-issued photo ID, snapping a selfie for facial recognition, linking a credit card, without any costs. Even temporary holds get refunded, or opting for a third-party service like verifymy.io that estimates your age via email. This development was first noticed by tech enthusiast Artem Rusakovsky, who posted screenshots of the verification prompt on X, formerly Twitter, at https://artemr/status/1982943140664459529. The system aims to ensure users prove their age before accessing certain downloads, and the methods available include uploading official IDs, capturing a quick photo of yourself, employing a credit card for confirmation, or using email-based age estimation from providers like verifymy.io. And this is the part most people miss. The implementation isn't happening overnight or everywhere at once, it's a phased approach that could differ based on your location. Some areas might skip the checks entirely, and the available verification tools could vary. For instance, verifymy.io might not be an option in your region just yet. So, why the sudden push for age verification on the Google Play Store? In a developer-focused blog update, available at https://supportable.google.com Google Play Android developer answer #zip %CIS age verification or supervise ongoing to be required for all Google Play users globally. Google outlined the legal drivers. States like Texas, Utah, and Louisiana in the U.S. have enacted laws mandating that app stores confirm users' ages, secure parental consent for certain activities, and share age details with app creators. As Google detailed, the initial law goes live in Texas starting January 1, 2026, with Utah following on May 7, 2026, and Louisiana on July 1, 2026, unless changes occur. These regulations bring in major new rules for apps needing to tailor experiences to user ages, including gathering age brackets and parental approval info from stores, plus alerting stores about key updates. These regulations fit into a wider wave of child safety and online age-related laws gaining traction across America. Giants like Google and Apple are now obligated to age-gate their app stores. Interestingly, both companies have voiced concerns, as seen in reports like https://ask.com/apple/2025/10.relately-comply-with-texas-age-verification-law, that this could compromise user privacy by necessitating the gathering of sensitive personal details. Yet, they've proceeded with compliance despite their reservations. To assist app developers in navigating this, Google has unveiled the Play Age Signals API, still in its beta testing phase. This tool allows developers to access anonymized age signals about users, think of it as hints without full personal data collection, to ensure content stays appropriate without overstepping privacy boundaries. Now, let's dive into one popular option, verifymy.io. Check it out at https://verifymy.io/age-verification-and-estimation/age-estimation- using your email address. Unlike methods that use biometrics or IDs, this service predicts your age based on your email address alone, scanning past online activities tied to it to gauge if you're over 18. As the site explains, we assess by examining websites and applications associated with your email. If that doesn't yield a clear estimate, you can switch to alternatives like ID uploads or facial analysis. For newcomers, imagine it as a digital detective using your email history to make an educated guess. It's often the fastest, simplest route that respects privacy the most, though it might not suit everyone depending on their online footprint. But here's where it gets controversial. Google's age verification isn't without its critics. Earlier this year, when similar checks hit YouTube, adult users flooded forums with complaints. Many were mistakenly identified as underage, leading to frustrating verifications involving personal photos, financial details, or official documents. Social platforms like Reddit and X buzz with stories of these systems feeling overly intrusive, with worries about inaccurate flagging, discomfort with sharing faces or IDs, and anxiety over data storage and potential breaches. Given that the Play Store's process mirrors this, folks in impacted areas could hit snags with app downloads if they avoid the verification steps. It's a classic clash. Is this a vital shield for kids in the digital world, or an unnecessary invasion into personal lives? For those new to this, think of it like a bouncer at a club. Sure, it keeps out minors, but what if it wrongly profiles you or demands too much info? What do you reckon? Is Google's new age verification a smart way to protect children online, or does it cross the line into privacy overreach? Could there be better ways to balance safety without collecting so much personal data? We'd love to hear your take. Agree, disagree, or share your own experiences in the comments below. Thanks for joining our community. Before you post, take a quick look at our comment policy, https://www.androidauthority.com/android-authority-comment-policy, to keep things respectful.